Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to today's SLP video update for Wednesday 24th of August. And SLP is trying to break free from this bear flag, but at the moment currently it is not being successful in doing so. So today's closing is quite important. Okay, so you do have this candlestick that actually try to break the flag, but today can you really close above the flag, or are you going to actually come down and close at 415? Because we're sitting at 430 right now, and you did make a small green pump to the upside, but that is not sustainable, that's not reliable, that's not something that is going to start an uptrend or anything. But one thing I can tell you is, if you are going to make a little bit of relief to the upside, then in my opinion you're looking to come up to this resistance level, because you do have one touch right there, second touch here, some few touches there. And if you're going to be looking to make a relief to the upside, then the highest you would go up can be to 0.00482. Now do remember, the bigger overview still remains that SOP is in a very long channel, on a weekly, right? So this is a weekly channel that I have draw before, maybe past in the last 3 days, telling you that we are still looking quite bad right now. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this one. There is a technical target right now to come to 0.00312, and then you have another technical target to basically drop you all the way down to 0.001 something. Okay, and that could be to the lowest part of that channel, and then you bounce off that channel, try to move sideways, and then try to go a little bit higher to 212, maybe, potentially. That's something very possible. I do believe a proper uptrend is gonna start when you really break out of this resistance completely and come back for the retest, and then boom, take the retest, and we're good to move to the upside. And that's pretty much it for this quick update on SLP. I'm gonna see you the next one. I love this.